Nokia was the king of smartphones back in the day, when black and white phones ruled the scene. But after disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now gearing up to launch an all-new, futuristic 5G smartphone that's set to blow everyone's mind. This spectacular Nokia smartphone packs a 144-megapixel DSLR quality camera and the powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Zeno Mini 5G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into this phone's full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Zeno Mini 5G. Display. This Nokia beast comes with a massive 6.77-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate, 506 ppi pixel density, and a blazing fast 360Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating, for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. In today's world, camera quality is a major deciding factor when buying a smartphone. Keeping that in mind, Nokia has equipped this phone with an insane DSLR-level camera setup. You get a triple camera system with a primary 144-megapixel sensor, second a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and last a 5-megapixel macro lens. And for selfie lovers, a stunning 50-megapixel front camera, for crystal-clear selfies and video calls. Processor and performance. The biggest highlight, power. This phone runs on Qualcomm's powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And for software, it's rocking the latest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Nokia has packed this monster with a massive 7000 mAh battery that's built to last. And when you do need to recharge, 120-watt fast charging juices it up in minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest it'll be priced around $750, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, expect Nokia to unveil this beast early in 2026.